car sits for weeks to months at a time, but this is the first time I heard this. Can anybody tell me what this squealing is?